सभापति जी।
प्रणाम सर। प्रणाम। Honorable members, obituary reference. Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Sri La Ganesan, a former member of this House, on the 15th of August 2025 at the age of 80. He served as a member of this House, representing the state of Madhya Pradesh from October 2016 to April 2018. Born on, please keep silence, please. He served as the editor of, born on 16th February 1945 in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu, Sri La Ganesan was a multifaceted personality, a dedicated public servant, author, editor, lyrist, and a staunch cultural nationalist. He served as the editor of Tamil magazine Ore Nadu, contributed extensively to mainstream publications, and was the founder president of Put Ram Rai, a non-political literary organization committed to promoting cultural discourse. A committed social and political worker, Sri Ganesan actively worked to restore communal harmony in Tamil Nadu during times of social unrest. Sri La Ganesan served as the governor of Manipur from August 2021 till February 2023. During this time, he held the additional charge as the governor of West Bengal briefly from July to November 2022. From 20th February 2023 until his sad demise, he served with distinction and dignity as the 16th governor of Nagaland, upholding the values of public service and unity. A patriot to the core, Sri Ganesan's life was wholly devoted to nation building, cultural preservation, and selfless public service. In the passing away of Sri La Ganesan, the country has lost a principled leader, a devoted nationalist, and a tireless champion of cultural and social harmony. We deeply mourn the passing of Sri La Ganesan. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. The Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Susri Shobha Karan Laje.
Manya Upasabhapati ji, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1A in today's list of business.
Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 Class B in today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Parliament Affairs.
Sri Murlidhar Mohol. Sri Murlidhar Mohol.
Honorable Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House as mentioned against my name at serial number 1C in the list of business for today.
Laying of CAG reports, Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House the reports mentioned at serial number 1 Class 2 of today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Finance.
Thank you. Honorable members, 19 notices have been received today on 4 different subjects under Rule 267. Of these, 11 notices do not contain a motion drawn in proper terms as per the requirement of Rule 267 to obtain a decision of the House. Further, 10 notices do not mention the date on which their notices under Rule 267 are to be invoked. 11 of these notices do not contain rules which the members seek to suspend. In addition, 13 of these notices demand discussion on a matter which is sub judice. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules, I am not admitting any of the notices. Matters: Place 0 hour, need to rename roads named after historical invaders. Dr. Dinesh Sharma. Place 0 hour.
धन्यवाद माननीय
0 hour चलने के मेंबर्स आवर है. इशूज
आपने मुझे आक्रांताओं के नाम पर
0
hour
नाम
बदलने की
आवर बहुत
आवश्यकता
महत्वपूर्ण है.
बोलने का
प्लीज आप अपनी सीट पर जाइए, सदन को चलने दीजिए.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं इस सदन का ध्यान एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण
सीट पर जाए और सदन को चलने
और
दे.
सांस्कृतिक विषय की ओर आकर्षित करना चाहता हूँ.
ये 0 hour का वक्त है.
हमारे
0 hour चलने
देश
दे
में
प्लीज.
आज भी कई सड़कें
आप 0 hour नहीं चलने देना चाहते.
ऐसे विदेशी
2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित किया जाता है.
अधिकारियों के नाम पर है